Hi, Jaden. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to work on spelling. So you're going to need to have your spelling and conventions book, okay? And then a sharpened pencil and an eraser. And when you're ready, we will begin. So we are on Unit 3, Day 1 in your book, okay? And I'm going to show it to you up here. So it should look like this. It is page 14. Page 14 in your book, okay? Whoop. Hi, Jaden. I hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to work on our spelling skills. So for this activity, you will need your spelling and writing book that looks like this, and then you'll need a sharpened pencil with an eraser. So get your materials ready. And I'll show you my page up here. It is Unit 3, Day 1 that we're going to be doing today. So your page should look like this. It is on page 14. And our sound focus here, we have A-L-L. What does that spell? It spells all. So you are going to trace the word all 2 times, and then you're going to write the word all 2 times, okay? So you're going to write all, right? Or I'm sorry, you're going to write it once right here. All. Trace, trace, write all. And then you're going to go down to the next line here, and I'm going to give you a couple of words that have that all spelling in it. And the first word is ball. B-all, ball. You should have spelt it B-A-L-L, ball. And the next word with our spelling is call. K-all. And you should have spelt it C-A-L-L. Next, go down to the sounds. I'm going to give you some sounds to write. Listen. The first sound, and you can write them all with lowercase letters. The first sound is Z. Number 1 is Z. You should have spelt it with a Z. Number 2 is R. R has 2 letters. You should have spelt it E-R. Number 3, the sound is ah. You should have spelt it O. Number 4 is ah. You should have spelt it E. And number 5 is E, this time spelt with 2 letters. E-A. E-A is the spelling I was looking for. Next, we're going to go on to the pattern words over here. So the base word that I'm going to give you for the pattern words that go in the box here. Okay. If the base word is bring, the first word I want you to write in the box is bring-ing. Bring-ing. Should be spelled B-R-I-N-G. ing, and then ing again. Bring, ing. The next word that you should be writing in the box there is the word swinging. Write swinging in the second box. Should be spelled S-W, sw. Ing is ing, and then ing again. Swing, ing. And the last word that you should write down in the box there okay. If the base word is dark, I want you to write dark with the suffix er at the end. So your word is darker. Write darker in the third box here. Should be spelled D-A-R-K-E-R, darker. If you go to the next section over here for the pattern words going across here, your first word is get. Write get as the first word. Should be spelled G-E-T. The next word, game. Write game. Should be spelled G-A-M-E. Game. The next word is late. Write late. L-A-T-E. Late. And the last word is her. Write her. H-E-R. Her. Next, we're going to write the tricky words on the line over here. Your first tricky word is already written for you, and you're going to trace it. It's the word to. Next word, do. Next word, into. And the last word that you're going to write here on the line is the word were. Like, were you ready to learn today? Were. Should be spelled W-E-R-E. Were. And now we're going to come down here and I'm going to dictate a sentence for you to write, okay? So listen to the sentence. I'm going to say the whole thing, and then I'm going to go back and read it again a second time slowly, okay? Listen to my sentence. Did a ball fall from the sky? Did a ball fall from the sky? What kind of mark comes at the end of that sentence? Did a ball fall from the sky? Is that a question? I think that sounds like a question. Make sure that you put a question mark at the end of your sentence. I'm going to go back and tell you how to spell the words. So did, it's the beginning of a sentence, so it should start with a capital D. And you should have D-I-D. Then you should have a space before you wrote your next word. Your next word is A, spelled with an A. Space, ball, B-A-L-L, space, fall, F-A-L-L, space, from, F-R-O-M, space, the, T-H-E, space, sky, S-K-Y, question mark. Good job spelling today, Jaden. I'll see you next time. Bye. Have a good day.